Welcome. Now what we will do is go ahead and implement the delete functionality. For delete functionality, we'll first go and write a function here which will handle the delete functionality. So we'll say delete item, and this delete item will take an ID which will be of type number, and here what we'll do is we'll give user a chance to decide whether they want to delete it or not, and that we can do with the help of notification. So we'll use swirl, which is sweet alert. Hit enter, it will import it automatically, sweet alert 2, which we have installed earlier. And then it says some method as file. In here we'll have an object. So it says title, and the title will say, are you sure to delete? And then we will say, let's say a description also. So we'll say text, item deleted cannot be recovered. Then we'll have the icon of warning, some settings, show cancel button, we'll say true. Then we'll say, let's give a color, confirm. So we need let's say button color, confirm button color, and that we can just say hash 308 5D5. Then we have the cancel button color, hash D33. After that we will have the confirm button text. Basically now we will just tell the user that go ahead and delete it. Go ahead with deletion. Let's say this way. And whatever is the response, we will do the operation based on that. So here this will return a callback, which is a promise callback. So we'll say then. So we'll resolve the promise here, and in this we'll get the result, and here we will say if result dot is confirmed, which means the user has decided to delete the item. Then we'll say this dot item service dot delete item, and we'll pass the ID that we are receiving. And once this is called, it also returns a callback. So then, and then we get the catch also here, catch. And in the catch we'll just say solve dot fire, pass the object, config object, and here we will have the icon as error, and then we'll have title some error occurred, and then we'll say so confirmation button. We don't need to show that here because this is an error scenario false, and we want this pop-up to disappear after 1.5 seconds, so we'll say 1500 milliseconds. Finally, we will return the error from here, return the error object. So we need to now complete the then callback, which is after deletion what we need to do. So here we will say response, and then we'll just copy paste this thing, and here we'll say success, item deleted successfully. This is false, perfect. Then we need to basically return the response, but here what we'll do is we'll first call the this dot get all items. Why we need to make this call is because we want our data to be refreshed and reloaded after deletion. So this is the call that we have, this is the method. So now we need to call this from the front end. Let's do that. When I say front end, it means the UI, the HTML. So here, how do we make a call to a method from our HTML which is present in the TypeScript component files? So let's say this is the method. So we will use click handler, click event, and we will have them handler mentioned like this. So from the click event, we'll say item and then dot underscore id. And now let's go ahead and test the functionality. So if we go to the network tab, let's click XHR and click on this delete. So cancel, nothing happens, no API call. Now let's delete it. It says item deleted, and we see here the delete, then get all items. Perfect. So everything is working as expected. So let's continue in the next video. Thank you.